liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, Liga ng bayan.
Our 7th game of our 10-game schedule for today now begins dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado. Covering the action, it is Lambo Construct once again. This time in the under 21 division, they take on the victorious on their previous outing, itong Cebu City of Boga. I should say, as they get their opportunity here. Sila ang unang nakapuntos. Naglaro na kanina itong kampo ng CDO. Kalaban nila ang Leyte, if I'm not mistaken, on that last game earlier, or the first game earlier. Kaya didiskarte once again itong sila Jay Verano, sila Enopia. Kakalabanin naman itong sila Casiliano, Duga-Duga. A lot of players here. Carl Dos. Should be a fun matchup. One team wants to make it 2 wins in a row. Yung isa naman, gusto nilang makakuha ng panalo dito sa ating contest, as that floater didn't go in for JR Casiliano, as basket goes Casilino. Or I should say on that last one, tabla tayo ngayon, 2-2 ang ating score dito. Duga-Duga, part of the starting 5 for the squad. Nice pass, I should say, on Franz Albao on the other side. Carl Dos, part of the starting 5 as well. Pati itong si Christian Ilut, maging ganda yung kanyang performance. Casinillo was the one who made that run para dito sa Cebu City of Bogo. Tabla lang sila kahapon ng Leyte, 7-all. Played last yesterday and eventually nakahit ng 3 points itong si Casinillo. And then that opens up the gates as Carlos Dos enters the scoring fray. A quick timeout para dito sa Lambo Construct. Bilis na responde, mabilis na timeout. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, Liga ng bayan.
teams playing hard at the opening of this contest. Cebu City of Bogo having a 2-point lead. They force a turnover on the other side as failing to secure that rebound. Or I should say failing to secure that dribble, that possession. Di Maporo. Casinillo sends it in the post. Double team, nakakuha ng puwang. Merong foul na itatawag. Carl Dos will be at the line. Again, look for Casinillo tsaka itong si Duga for City or Cebu City of Bogo to really push the pace here, dictate the tempo on the side of Cebu. As Carl Dos looks for his third and fourth point, pasok yung kanyang pangatlong basket. Dos once again knocks down the second one. The defense of Cebu, yan ang naging primary weapon nila against Leyte. Kaya nakuha nila yung panalo eventually, breaking free as early as the first quarter, setting the tempo of that game, then really just catching Leyte on their weakest. Kaya nagsunod-sunod na yung kanilang basket, and those passes like that, delikado yan as Albao almost had a run for it. Here is Enopia, wild shot, and it goes in. Six to 4 is our score here after that Enopia basket. Looking to make that pass was Duga. Hahanapin sana si Dos dun sa left side with 5 minutes 45 remaining. Ilot looking to secure this possession. Albao, they go on that shot. Duga drifting on the left side, just couldn't hit that basket. Dikit pa rin naman ang ating laban, 6 to 4, but defensive intensity starting to heat up for Cebu. Not after that jumper. Chris Cagas, I believe, scoring that basket for them. Talking about this Lambo Construct squad. Carl Dos goes out and shoots his way in. 8 to 6 is our total. And Nopia with a dangerous pass. Nakalibre, nakabasket. Paya getting his moments here. Jez Paya ties the game at 8. City of Cebu is from way downtown. Sasabihin ko sana kung na-shoot yun ni Casinillo, it would be a replay of what happened against Leyte. Yun nga lang, merong timeout na itatawag. Tabla tayo at 8.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat
4 minutes 35 remaining here in the opening quarter. Dito sa Battle of Champions, Cebu and Zamboanga facing off each other. I should say CDO facing off each other here in the under 21 division. Kanina yung Lambo Construct ng under 18, really impressive. Hubert Lozano went off and caught fire. Let's see if Zamboanga Lambo Construct under 21 squad magawa ulit nila yung ganong performance at Jan Perelos enters the game. Mawawala ang bola, recovered here by Sabroso. Yun nga lang, traveling ang tawag. Again for Cebu. yung kanilang guard rotation really deep. Meron silang Sabroso and Perelos pamalit kay Duga and Casinilio, I should say. And now on that drive, that easy basket, Janjan Perelos making that basket count. 10-8 ang ating magiging total dito. Being pressured was Payapaya. Balik pa rin ang possession dito sa Lambo Construct. 10-8 is the score here. Looking to make something happen. Once again, itong si Enopia making that wild one-hander. Stepping through for that deuce. That is off the mark. Nakikita nyo sa likod yung mga players ng Lambo Construct in the under 18. Sinusuportahan ng kanilang mga kuya dito sa 21 matchup at Janjan Perelos getting that bump, that basket to go in. 2 minutes 35 remaining dito sa ating first quarter action. Payapaya balik dito sa kanyang kakampi. Kagas, Chris on the move. Jumper by Chris. It's good. (12-10) is our score here with 2 minutes 13 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Back and forth we go. Cebu hindi maka-alagwa dito, hindi maka-abante. Meanwhile for Zamboanga, they're doing their best to keep in pace. Sayang yung steal attempt na yon ni Gian Romano who played well earlier. So really impressive squad here itong Zamboanga, Lambo Construct. Just unfortunate for them, haven't seen Jay Verano in quite some time. One players na talagang pwedeng mag-init for Zamboanga Lambo Construct. A minute 35, nice pickup, nice pass, basket goes in, 6 straight points. Janjan Perelos of the steal ni JC Sabroso. So down by 2, now up by 4 dahil sa consecutive baskets ni Perelos. A minute 13 remaining. Looking to break this lead in. Babalik dito kay Enopia. Sayang yung kanyang 3-pointer. Sabroso with the rescue. A minute remaining here. Last minute dito sa ating opening quarter. JC sends it to Tino Martinez. That is way off. Putback is in. Nice rescue by Lawrence Kakanog. Getting that putback to go at maybe this is the start of that separation of Cebu and Zamboanga. And as I say that 3-pointer dropping in. Baba sa 3 yung 6 na puntos na kalamangan. Final 24 seconds to go. Kakanong balik kay JC. Sabroso on that drive sends it. Easy jumper is good. Making that play possible. I believe that was Perelos scoring his 8-point. Can he complete? 10-point quarter. 10 of their 20 galing dito kay Janjan Perelos. As we end our opening quarter, 20-13. Exciting basketball to come dito sa ating laro.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to.
Start of the second quarter action. City of Cebu or Cebu City of Bogo led by Janjan Perelos. Meron siyang 10 points in the opening quarter. Meanwhile for Zamboanga Lambo Construct, getting points from a lot of players. What a separation! Albert Anciano introducing himself here dito sa ating contest. 22-13, 9-point lead. As that basket goes for 3. Knocking it down, no problem. Chris Cagas. What a response. So far for Zamboanga, nakakakuha sila ng napakaraming puntos mula dito kay Cagas. Just not letting this squad go away. Talking about Cebu. Anciano will give it inside. Floater is in. Elvin Ancob getting some playing time here. Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan para dito sa City of Bogo. Almost losing their balance right there ay itong kampo ng Lambo Construct. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Wild shot that goes in. A steal. Make it 4 straight points. 4 na lang bigla. Ganon ka bilis na ibaba ang kalamangan dito for this Lambo Construct squad. Goes for that drive, looks to attack. Nakadrop pa ng foul itong si Raiko Batigas. And with that foul, merong free throws coming in itong si Raiko Batigas. Sinks the first one is Raiko. Misses on the second. Pepito secures that rebound. I love this player para dito sa Cebu. Itong si Radim Pepito. He's an energy guy for the squad, making those plays and contributing for his squad. Look for him to disrupt yung flow ng tempo dito sa Zamboanga. He is really a good player. Talking about Pepito. Can bring and counter the energy. And speaking of counters, Gian Romano knocking down the 3. Sabi ni Gian, hindi kayo pwedeng lumayo. Only down by 4. Here's Pepito on the post. Radim on that move. Rejected on that one. Pepito not giving up. And that is just a kind of player Radim Pepito is. Batigas with a tap. A steal. Looking for that spin, but it is quickly taken away. Cagas. Sayang yung steal attempt, yung effort ni Cagas on that last one. $7-10 remaining dito sa ating second quarter. So far, Cebu sinusubukan talagang makalayo dito as Otero will be fouled or will be called for an offensive foul. As Lopez has entered this contest. Talking about Jimwell Lopez. Maganda rin ang kanyang naging performance kanina. Can shoot the lights out. Talking about Jimwell Lopez. Romano. Give it to Chris Cagas. Here's Lopez for 3. Kaboom! These under 18 players ng Lambo Construct knows what's up dito sa kanilang mga kasamaan, sa kanilang mga kuya. Nice spin. Anciano, shut down. Ancob, nowhere to go to answer back. That is off. Pupunta on the other side, will go for the dribble. Lopez, balik sa kanyang bola. Another 3 on the way. Could have, change the momentum. Better defense. That is all effort on the side of Lambo Construct. 3 ball. Just listen to that crowd. And Nopia ties the game. And this is feeling like a home game para dito sa Lambo Construct. Making back-to-back threes, Enopia, tsaka itong si Lopez. And they call a traveling violation. Or maybe, an offensive foul pa nga. Timeout call. Nag-iingay na ang crowd dito favoring Lambo Construct. We are tied at 29.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
Jimwell Lopez and company looking to take the lead here, I believe, for the first time today. Tignan natin kung magkakaroon sila ng magandang run in the second quarter. Enopia, 5 seconds. Lopez for the lead. That is way off. Duga-Duga has now been deployed here to control what's happening inside the court of Cebu. It was a wild one. Lamang ng at least 8 points, I believe. A 3. That is too strong for Albao. Follow-up is in. Lawrence Kacanog, I believe, scoring that one. Para dito sa Cebu, regardless, it is a 2-point lead. Lopez swings it in the corner. Attacks, almost losing the ball. Sends it out for the lead. Gian Romano gets this place unglued. 32-31. Duga-Duga gets that lead back. Outside shots for Lambo Construct starting to be on point here. Lopez couldn't trigger this one. 9 seconds to go. Didiskarte once again. Paya-Paya leaving the defender in the dust. And Nopia will not get that friendly roll. Nakaabang na yung mga supporters dito ng Lambo Construct na mag-ingay. Duga-Duga once again completes that play back-to-back. Isa Mike Duga-Duga with 4 crucial points in the second quarter. 3:26 remaining, 3-point lead for Cebu.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng...
Interesting game here sa ating 7th of 10 games. Cebu after that basket by Isa Duga-Duga. Lamang ng 3. Meanwhile Zambo or Zamboanga I should say, Lambo Construct, isa na lang ang kanilang hahabulin. They are always in pace in this game. Napakagandang shootout in this under 21 game. Entering the last 3 minutes of this contest, another floater. Isa Duga-Duga, 6 straight points. Casinillo almost getting that steal. Makaka-recover on the other side. A big shot can get the momentum back on the side of Lambo. 5 seconds to go. Looks for an open man. Pass was too strong for Enopia. Dire-diretso dito si Ilot. Nice pass. Perfect. for that Carl. 2-2 basket. Breaking that press. 5 ang kalamangan. 3-point shots. Now the main weapon of Lambo Construct. Nearing the last 2 minutes. And Nopia for 3. Bomb didn't detonate. Now controlling the pace. Duga. And a big 3. Casinillo. Airmails. Put back, won't fall, and Nopia secures that rebound. On the right side this time, babawi with 1:40 to go. Lambo Construct, they go all the way. And one opportunity coming in, Gian Romano. One minute 35. Has hit one 3-pointer, now completes that 3-point play. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng City of Cebu. A minute 30, 90 seconds, eksakto. Perelos has 10 points, all in that first quarter. Duga has 6, all in the second quarter. These two players combining for 16 of their 39 points so far. Meanwhile for CDO, coming from Lopez and Nopia at saka dito kay Gian Romano, all lethal from the outside. Final 60 seconds, a 3 to get the lead. (40-39), Jimuel Lopez knocks down another 3. Answering back with a 3 of their own. Referees call a double foul dito sa kampo ng Cebu. I believe it was 2-2. Dito sa kampo naman ng Lambo Construct, I believe it is on Kim Suwan. As a referee signaled that double foul. .6 remaining. Looking to make a move once again. Nice steal. Sabroso will be fouled by Jimuel Lopez. Again, those outside bombs detonating at the right time para dito sa CDO. Perelos looking to add more points on this total. Fakes, turns, shoots, converts. Christian Ilot making that one. How do you do, Christian? 15 seconds to go. Verano has been checked in. A 3. Heat check time. Could have been big for CDO. Lambo Construct. 2-2. Well, not complete. A second to spare, but will be at the line. Carl, 2-2 couldn't complete on the second free throw, and we will enter our halftime break with a 2-point lead for Cebu. If that is our first half of action, cannot wait for the second one. Magbabalik tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipinas. focus sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng
We are into this second half of action between City of Bogo Cebu and CDO Lambo Construct dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action. And that was a really fun first half of action. First quarter belonging to Cebu. CDO, due to their outside shooting, taking control of the second, but not until nakakuha ng momentum, nakakuha ng opportunity itong si Iza Duga-Duga. 6 straight points to balance things out on the side of City of Bogo. Here he is, finding a teammate, looking to make a play. Tino Martinez handing that ball off to Janjan Perelos. Stepping on the line, sabi ng ating referees. Now gonna make something happen here with 8:09 remaining. Hindi pa nakakapuntos ang CDO dito. Meanwhile for City of Cebu, nakaka 3 points na sila, or 6 points I should say, or make it 4 into this third quarter. Sabroso will receive this ball on that left, attacks and scores. Breaking that defense is a JC Sabroso. Turnover. Duga-Duga now will be called for that unsportsmanlike foul ay itong si Lopez. (48-40). Lead really has ballooned here. 6-0 run on the side of Cebu as Duga-Duga secures the first free throw. Iza has made tough baskets, crucial ones in that second quarter, knocking down that bonus. 50-40 is our score with 7 minutes 36 remaining dito. Duga-Duga will start off the play once again. Sabroso balik dito kay Isa. Sabroso thought about that three, could have shot it, had some room itong si JC Sabroso. Again for CDO, hasn't scored yet in this game. Tignan natin how will they respond here. Enopia and company. Here is one of the players that really showed up earlier. Jay Verano breaks that cross, sends it. Jumper on the way. That is off the mark. A miss by Kagas that leads to this Perelos possession. Sabroso. Tino will be called for a dribbling violation. Approaching the 6-minute 30 mark. Cebu is on an 8-0 run. CDO hindi pa nakakapuntos dito sa ating contest for today. Almost a swipe. Isa Duga-Duga couldn't control on that possession. Muntik na siyang maka-run away that time. Looking to protect their undefeated record itong Cebu. A 3. Couldn't call glass that time was Somadero. Isa Duga-Duga. Nice pass. Ooh, a better stop. Unfortunate on the side of Cebu. And a swipe this time. Duga-Duga leading this 3-on-2 break. Lawrence Kakanog with a lefty finish. Really a difference maker. Itong si Isa Duga-Duga. Ball is lost. Now tapped here on a paya-paya traveling call. .520 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. 12-point lead, 52-40. That is our tally for today. Duga-Duga passes it on the post. Nice read. Gonna make some run. Verano. Enopia. Four minutes 45 remaining dito sa ating third quarter action. Wala pa rin puntos ang CDO. Almost a swipe by Duga-Duga. Naabangan yung pasa na yon. Gian Romano played well on that second quarter. Goes for that breakaway. And finally, going to look and enter our scoring column itong si Jay Verano. That's their only point so far, that free throw. With that 4 minutes 10 remaining. Kakanog emergency pass, a shot from the corner. Won't pour for Colubio, who just entered this game. Jonel missing that opportunity. Paya-Paya will give it here to Verano from way downtown. Has hit some amazing shots in our opening game. Kanina itong si Verano. Sabroso dishes it off. Kakanog for 2. .330 remaining. A 13-point lead. Magiging diskarte dito ni Kagas and company, only scoring 1 point. Walang field goal so far. Verano sends it to Enopia. Balik on this side. Kagas, jumper, won't fall. Naubabagalan lang ng konti lang naman. Ni Sabroso decides to turn on the engines. What a move by Sabroso. A near steal, a near turnover. Now a 15-point lead staring at CDO. Verano finally puts them up on the board with 2 minutes 45. 3 points pa lamang. Sabroso couldn't hit that 3. A big shot going in for Lawrence Kakanog. 58-43 ang ating total. 2 minutes 25 remaining. 3 ball, or I should say just a long 2. Colubio secures that rebound. Iza Duga-Duga. Balik dito kay Colubio. 58-43. Tino Martinez was rejected. Balik ang bola sa Cebu. A minute 53 to go dito sa ating third quarter. Looking to make something happen. Batigas, balik kay Kakanog. And Nopia secures that rebound. 1 field goal so far para dito sa CDO. Nice look. Basket is in. Jimwell Lopez. So far, 5 points pa lamang ang Lambo Construct dito. City of Bogo taking over. Meron na silang 16 points into the third quarter. Duga-Duga drops it off. It is a foul on the other side. Balik ang bola sa CDO. Final 60 seconds. Enopia shake and bake. Losing the ball. Kala ko papasok pa para dito kay Sorenopia. Nice find. Colubio, I should say, was rejected. 46.6 to go. Iza Duga-Duga will start off the play. Goes for this attack. 10 seconds to go. Kakanog, strong third quarter. Better stop, capitalizing on defense. Duga-Duga once again, looking to control the pace. Only 7 points, I should say, para dito sa Cebu. Final 15 seconds. Iza will be stripped on that play. Lopez had a hand on it. Balik ang bola dito sa CDO. .11 lead. 16-7 quarter. Goes for this drive. Hindi papasok. 3 seconds to go. Can they beat the buzzer? That won't count. That won't count. And we will enter the fourth quarter. Kanina, down by 2 lamang itong CDO. Now Cebu is now up by 11, 58-47. Fourth quarter action coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Simula na ng ating fourth quarter. Cebu ang unang makakabutas dito sa ating fourth quarter, finishing off with 16 points, limiting to only 7 itong CDO after catching fire on that second quarter. Baron Mercado covering the action. 13 points ang kalamangan ng Cebu. They scored the first basket. Sabroso and company looking to add more points, and that 3 is in. JR Casinilio finally hitting the mark. Only a long 2, but regardless, that outside shot can go a long way. 47-62. Referees will call a technical foul on faking a foul dito sa CDO. Hindi na nila kinakailangan yon. Natawagan na ng warning kanina itong kampo ng CDO for faking a foul. So that will not help their case here if they want to make a comeback. So Lopez will be needing to sit here for out of the playing court, if I heard that correctly. Yeah, maybe because that is the second infraction of that. One of the players that led the way, Janjan Perelos, knocking down on the first one. Eight minutes 56, balik ang bola dito sa CDO. Again, they played well on that second quarter. Now Cebu looking to take advantage of this one. Hihiwalay na sila dito in the fourth quarter, and they need to do it. Dahil pag nag-init ulit itong CDO, mas mahihirapan na sila. 63-47. Almost a traveling call on Enopia. Lost the ball. Ilot gonna give a credit on him. Perelos with the finish. 8:35 remaining. 65-47 is our score after that Janjan Perelos basket. Pound active timeout ang ating handog.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang
Tignan natin kung makaka-responde na itong CDO squad of that timeout. Kakasabi ko pa lang, they commit a turnover, running start, extra pass, basket is in. Janjan Perelos, 14 points for him at least in this game. 20 ang kalamangan dito ng Cebu after a close contest. Again, same formula. Cebu just never gave up. Show and go. Tatawagan ng foul itong si Perelos, caught on skates. Knocks down the second one after missing the first. Again, covering Cebu for 2 days. They always have this game. Nakala ng kanilang kalaban kayang makadikit pero making that stop nung unang game against Leyte, that was in the first quarter. Nung game na to ngayon, it was in the third quarter where they made a mark, a 16-7 quarter wherein nahayaan nilang maka-score itong CDO ng kanilang first field goal at least 4 minutes in the third quarter. So doing a good job stopping, and that is why itong CDOs ngayon sobrang lamig from the field, and they will look to continue to punish them on defense. Corner 3. Those outside shots not falling anymore. Para sa CDO, naubos na ang bala sa labas. Meanwhile, JC, show and go, magical move right there. 6'9", 4'8". What a move. What contest we are seeing here so far. 6:25 remaining dito. Didiskarte once again. Looking to create some separation. Itong si Gian Romano. Through that bump. Sabi ng mga players ng Cebu, baka traveling yun, ref. Sabi ng ating referees, you reach in para makuha yung call na yun. And we will have a timeout call with a 6:05 remaining. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
(69-48) dito sa ating 7th game of today. Pagkatapos nito, let's just see on the schedule what will be our next one. It will be Bataan Boss League taking on Davao. Magandang laban yan into this under 21. Kanina yung Davao played their game against Cagayan. Meanwhile, itong Boss League really was impressive. Makikita na naman natin si Chloe Canta. Again, that unstoppable 3-point shot na talagang helped their way, willed their way in. Yun ang naging weapon nila of choice. Canta was unstoppable. But started that game, napakaganda ng pinakita ni Santos, if I'm not mistaken, on that last one. Pero on the other side, itong Davao, mamaya, a crucial game, a big one for them, na ipanalo ni JP Cudio yung, or Cudo I should say, yung kanilang laban against Region 2. A close contest. Again, Daryl Santos was the leader of that squad. But if you're going to let me choose, I would choose Canta as the best player dun sa Bataan. Again, two teams victorious. Looking to make it 2-0. Ang tanong na lamang mamaya, sinong makakakuha ng opportunity to win later on. But for now, a 25-point lead ang ating nakikita. Stepping through for that shot. Wasn't available. Verano will use this pick. Sends it on the left. And that is the shot clock violation. CDO looked like they were sent back to earth after that third quarter. Ibang klaseng team na, or ibang team na to. Nakikita natin 73-48. 4 minutes 10 remaining dito sa ating laro. For Cebu, they just keep on pounding points. Tino Martinez, emergency pass, a 3 by Otero. Bitin yung shot na yon, and now looking to run. Open 3. Those outside shots, wala nang nahuhulog para dito sa CDO. Pepito had that shot, bibigay pa rin kay Martinez with 10 seconds to go. 73-48, jumper. That is off the mark for Ancob. Pepito gets that rebound in the basket. (75-48) is the score. Just stopping here is our game with 3:05 remaining. Tino Martinez drops it off. Masyadong malakas yung opportunity on that basket. Pepito is asking for it. Jumper. That is off the mark. Another try. Can't get that glass shot. Was Dale Otelo. Again, official score natin 75-48. Open 3, Verano. Couldn't hit that outside shot. No momentum whatsoever para dito sa kampo ng Cebu, or para sa kampo ng CDO, I should say. Meanwhile, for Cebu, successful on transitioning or translating this game onto their favor. All air, Martinez just putting the ball inside. 77-48. 29-point lead. Di makakuha ng opportunity. Last 2 minutes time, Anciano. Pepito with a jumper. Couldn't get that friendly roll. Look at him go. Gets his own miss. And what did I tell you about dito kay Pepito? He is just really an energy guy. He has 6 points for them. 79-48, a minute 49 to go.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Just wasting away the clock here para dito sa kampo ng Cebu, as they will secure their second victory dito sa Battle of Champions. Otero joins in the 3-point party as they score for that 3-point shot. 82-48. Transferring for a different team here, itong CDO. Best performance nila was on that second quarter. Nagpalitan ng puntos. Meanwhile, for Cebu, that third quarter really dictated the tempo here. Sa nakikita natin, Otero back to back. Yes, sir! Having some problems converting earlier. Pero patapos tayo, nakatira ng 3 points. Meanwhile, for CDO, they will lose their second game today. Couldn't sustain that momentum into the second quarter. Kanina dalawa lamang ang kalamangan nilang Cebu, 42-40 tayo natapos. Only scoring 12 points in the second half. Meanwhile, scoring 43 naman itong Cebu. Anciano Pepito puts the final point of this game and got his team amped up, fired up. 2-0 itong City of Pogo Cebu. 87-52. Game 7 is done. 3 more to go dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Jr. MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan